All right. Hi, everyone. Very good evening and welcome back to Geeks for Geeks practice. Please give me a +1 in the chat if my voice is clearly audible to everyone and everything is working fine. Also, make sure to hit the like button. Hi, Anji, and hi, Rishit as well. Okay, so as usual, you guys are still there. Very good. So today we'll be discussing yesterday's problem of the day, which was quite easy, right? It was nothing but binary modulo. So we'll be discussing the logic for that. Okay, and also today's problem of the day, that is, I think, maximum consecutive with a like without a consecutive zero, something like that. So it's very interesting problem. I think it's based on digit DP. So maybe Madbar might know more about it, but we have discussed the idea for that already with Madbar long time back. But let's I have announcement also after the problem is solved. Okay, hi Shreya as well. Thanks a lot, Shreya. So now I'll quickly share my screen and let us discuss this problem of the day. Okay, it's very easy. I know that all of you must have already done it, but let me just quickly discuss this particular problem with all of you. Now, what does this problem say? Right, this problem says that if you have been given any string s, okay, so let's say the string s is given as 101, then what you need to do is, this is the binary indexing of this string that has been given to you. Okay, so basically if you will see, so this is the binary this is the binary format, and what you need to do is you need to convert that number into the decimal format, and then you need to take the modulo with m. Okay, so if the m value here is given as what, m value is given as nothing but 2. So after converting this binary number into the decimal number, then what you have to do is you have to convert it into you have to modulo it with 2, right? So you will keep on taking the modulo every time. So if I have 101, so you know that this is nothing but what, 2 to the power 0, right? This will be 2 to the power 1, this will be 2 to the power 2. Okay, so overall it will come out to be what, it will be nothing but it will come out to be 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. That is how we convert a binary number into a decimal. So we'll get what, 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. So when you get this 5, then you have to do what, you have to modulo it with m. So when you do mod with m, so here you can see 5 mod 2 will be nothing but 1. So for this particular question, the answer is nothing but 1. Is this much part clear to everyone? Please write yes or no in the chat, guys. Is it clear to everybody? You can just let me know in the chat if it is clear to everyone. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay, hi Vanshika Kapoor as well. So is it clear to everyone? Okay, now let's look at the second example also. Let's say the second example is 100 and this thing. So just give me a second, let's talk about the second example as well. So here what we will be required to do is, we'll convert this particular number into the decimal format, and then we'll take the modulo. So we have to take the modulo with 4 here. So if you will see here, what I can do is, basically if you see 1248, please write 1248 in the chat, right? This is how it keeps on kind of increasing. So I can have a value variable or a particular variable that can start from 1 and that will always multiply by 2. Please write cross 2 in the chat if it is clear. Right, is this part clear? Like I just need to have this thing, that's it, that's the whole concept behind it. So if you will see here, what I can do is, I will always initially start from 1. Okay, and I can see that 0 into 1 is what, nothing but 0. Then this will be marked as 2 because I will multiply it by 2. So this is basically 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1. So multiplied with 0, it will be 0, right? Then after that, this is 4, so 4 into 0 will be 0. Then this will be what, this will be 8. Now this is what, 8 plus 0. So overall it comes out to be 8. Okay, then this number is 8 actually, because when you see this particular decimal number, so binary number, so its decimal conversion comes out to be nothing but 8, right? Then if you do the modulo with m, that is 4 here, so 8 modulo 4 will give you nothing but 0. So that is why the answer here is 0. Is this much part clear to everyone? Please write +1 in the chat. Okay, so this is what we need to do in this particular problem. So we just need to iterate on the string from the back side. Please write back in the chat if you understand. If a string has been given, so I should iterate from the back side. Please write back in the chat, because what I can do is I can start m like the multiplicative value from 1, and then I can keep on generating my number. Okay, so in this case, what I can do here is, let's say I will have int answer initially as, let's say, something like 0. Okay, this is the very first and the basic thing that we need to do. That is what we need to do is, we need to declare our answer variable, right? Since it might exceed the integer limit, so I'll do what, I'll declare it as long int. Let's say I'll initially mark the result as 0, and let's say long I will have int. Let's say the value that I want to multiply with, initially I can mark it as 1. Okay, and then what I will do is, I'll say that, okay, for I start from what, s dot size minus 1, because I want to start from the backside. Okay, then I is greater equal to 0, then I will do an I minus minus. So I'll iterate from the backside, and what I will do is I will simply say that int the current, what is the current value, right? So the guy at the current place will be nothing but s of I minus 0, because if I want to get the exact integer, so I just have to subtract the character 1 with 0 or the character 0 with 0, then I'll get the numerical value. Okay, once I get that, so in that case, once I get this particular value, then I can always say that result is equal to result plus what, result plus the current value into the, sorry, the current character into the value, and that will be modulo with that I will do modulo with mod. Okay, and since we always keep on multiplying, right? So you can say that value is equal to value into 2, and since I want to keep it in a check, so I can take the mod here as well, right? With m, sorry, we have to take the mod with m, not with modulus m, not with 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so this is what we can do, and in the end, since the answer will be generated, so I can simply return this particular answer, right? So yeah, let me now try to run it, and let's see if it works or not. It was very easy, to be honest. I have made some issues. Okay, I should mark this as a result. No, I have used a result variable. All right, let's now try and check it. Int I is not declared. Okay. Yeah, now it should work fine. Easy. Yeah, it was very easy. Indeed, it was. Okay, works fine on the sample. Let's try and run it as well. You can hit the like button, guys. I know today's problem is very easy. So yeah, you can see that it gets accepted, right? What you have to do is you have to just iterate from the backside, get the character, and whatever is the current value will start from 1, and it will keep on multiplying by 2. So you just keep on doing this particular thing. Is this clear to everyone? Please write yes plus 1 in the chat and hit the like button also, guys, if all of you are clear. Can you explain why you use modulo m with the value? I used a modulo m with the value because it might overflow. Maybe I'll not use it, then also it will work. Just let me check that. Maybe it will still work, right? Let me just check. Okay, it does not work. So yeah, it might happen that it will not work. We need to take the modulo, because the value that we are multiplying, then also it can exceed the limit. So it's better to multiply. Then it will get accepted always. So what I will do now is I will just generate the link for this particular course, okay, so that I can just share it with all of you. Just give me a second, guys. All of you have understood this, right? I hope that you have. Now today's problem of the day is quite interesting, I think, because it has been asked, like it has been asked in some companies, as well as it is a very good problem. If I'm not wrong, it is a digit DP problem, so I'll discuss it tomorrow, right? So yeah, I've shared the link, and one more thing that I have is, right, as you might be knowing, earlier GFG used to have this thing, that is the live CP course, right? So now what has happened is, as we have a DSA self-paced course, so we have a CP course, right? We have a new CP course in GFG, and what is there in this course? What is special in this course? So for those who have already enrolled, like Madbar, so they have he had already enrolled in the earlier course, but now we have a new GFG course in which we have what? We have the recorded lectures, or you can say we have the recorded modules, right? Let's say it is a module about binary search, it is a module about binary search and answer, dynamic programming, range some query and all that. So now it is recorded, and what will happen every Sunday in this particular course, right? Every Sunday for almost 2.5 hours, you can say, every Sunday once you enroll in this course, so every Sunday for 2.5 hours, either some online assessment will be discussed, or code forces contest will be discussed, or some other contest, ad coder contest, something will be discussed, right? So some contest or the other will be discussed, or some online assessment will be discussed. मैं कर लिया हूँ, अच्छा है, ले लो सब, अच्छा, okay भाई, ठीक है, right, thanks a lot Madbar. So yeah, I will just show you the course, and it is being it is there in the ping comment also. So I will just search GFG master competitive programming, if I'll just search something like this, right? So yeah, master competitive programming course, this is the course that I want to talk about today, right? Because today's problem was very easy. You can see we have Siddharth Hazra, right, in the introduction video. So you can see he has told a bit of details about it right here, and internally he has also made a lot of videos. So just to give you an overview about this course, it has 60 plus hours of the recorded content. It has 100 plus easy, medium, and hard problems. And for that also, one by one, they are adding the video editorials. Then you will have 50 plus live sessions. So the course will be available to you for 1 year. Okay. Then you can get some internship opportunities at GFG as well as some organizations. Live doubt solving sessions will be there. As I said, in the starting, I will be taking them. My output 01, return 1. Okay. So yeah, then after that 24/7 doubt assistance is also there, right? Then after this particular part, I can show you here what is there in the course content. So first of all, CEP prerequisite is there. Okay, I quote same as teacher, thanks a lot Chinese study. So yeah, CP algorithms, like first of all, time complexity, space complexity is there, arrays are there, matrices BST. So basic DSA is first of all covered in the first module. Then after that, you have the CP basics, you have the number theory, right? Number theory part 1, part 2, part 3. Then you have a contest after that. Then you have the recursion and the backtracking. Then divide and conquer is also there. After that, you can see that in this course, we have the binary search, ternary search also, right? Then stacks and queues, trees, the traversal of trees, greedy, right? Greedy problems are also there. And then fractional knapsack is also there. Then you have the dynamic programming, basic and advanced, like digit DP is there. Then you have the probability DP, bit masking DP, and range DP. Everything is there. Matrix chain multiplication DP, knapsack DP is also there, and DP on strings is also there. DP on trees, I think, is also there, right? After this particular part, you have the graphs, right, and strings and range some query. Is this part clear to everyone? Why is my face not visible actually? Was it okay? Is there some issue? I think now it's visible, right? It was not visible throughout. I thought it was visible. Okay, I don't know what happened, right? So yeah, so this is the thing. And if you want to download the detailed syllabus, so you can download it from here, and a lot of problems and whatever is there, it is being given, right? And just to see who are the mentors, so Sandeep sir has made many videos in this course. Siddharth Hazra, software engineer at Geeks. Anil sir is there, who is working currently at Google. Then Pawan sir is there, who is working at this bank. Then after that, all of these are ICPC qualified people, ACM ICPC regionalist. Then Ashutosh sir is working at Microsoft. Then I will be taking the live classes, so my name is also mentioned, right? Then Sachin Bish sir is also there, who is working at Tarana Wireless, right? So all of them, you can study their credentials from this website, right? And make sure to enroll in this course. I have shared the link for it, right? I think you can see in the pinned comment, the link is there. Okay, guys. So please make sure to have a look at it. Ab dikh raha hai. Okay, I don't know what happened with my face earlier. All right, so very good. So it is there in the pinned comment. Hi to Naikaj as well. So yes, this was all about today's problem of the day. It was very easy, right? It was a very easy problem, and I don't think that this problem should be there in GFG POD, because many people can solve it, right? If you solve GFG problems regularly or GFG POD regularly, then you can say it is kind of a basic problem only, right? Today's problem of the day. So that's it for today. Okay. Thanks a lot, Madba. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot, Rishit, as well. And guys, please make sure to hit the like button and give me a +1. And you can share this course with your friends if you want. The link to the pinned comment has been given to you. Thanks a lot for joining for this particular session. And I will see you with another interesting problem of the day. That is today's problem of the day that I will be solving tomorrow. It is very interesting, so make sure to come tomorrow. I'll clear your concepts from the very basic. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining, and I'll see you with another problem of the day tomorrow. Thank you and have a great day. Keep coding, guys, and subscribe the channel as well if you haven't.